Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Like yesterday, we're going to say hello first. Are you ready? We're going to sing another song. One that you already sang at school. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? 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 Today it's a rainy day. Ooh, it's all wet outside. So I had an idea. We can make experiments or to think some ways to make the sound of the rain. Look, we have to think the ways that we can make the rain sound. Here I have rice and a little jar. So I'm going to put rice on the jar. See the noise? Listen. Oh, pretty much like the rain. And now we're going to place the cup here and we can play and make the sound of the rain. So now I want you to think some other ways to make the sound of the rainy day. See you tomorrow.